Hi everyone, we're going to find the inverse of this particular rational function. We're going to verify and find the domain and range. This is number 9. It looks a lot like number 8, so you might want to try to do it on your own first. The first thing I'm going to do is write my f of x with the y. So I'm going to write y equals 2x plus 3 over x plus 2. I'm going to cross multiply and put that in fraction form. And clean this up a little. Oops. What do we do? The first thing we need to do is switch the x and the y. So x equals 2y plus 3 over y plus 2. This is our inverse. Now we want to solve for y. So you're going to get x times y plus 2 equals 2y plus 3. Clean this up. Now we want to group our y's together. So we're going to get x, put the y out, and you're going to get x, let's see. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to group your y's together. So I'm going to move the 2y over and the 2x on the other side. And then we're going to factor out a y. So we get y times x minus 2 equals negative 2x plus 3. Divide both sides by x minus 2, so you get negative 2x plus 3 over x minus 2. Now I want to go ahead and do the domain and range here so we have some room. Your domain, this is going to be your f inverse. So your domain of f equals your range of f inverse. So your domain of f is all real numbers such that x cannot be negative 2. Therefore, that's your range, but you just change it to the y. And then your range of f equals your domain of f inverse. So the domain of f inverse is x such that x cannot be 2, and your range is the same. It's all real numbers, but y cannot be 2. Okay, now we have to compose these to check. This is the verifying part. F with f inverse of x. So I'm going to write my outer function as f. My inner function is negative 2x plus 3 over x minus 2. So my outer function is 2. Everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put, this will be 2x plus 3 over x plus 2. And I'm going to input my x, in this case is f inverse. And we're going to go ahead and do our algebra trick and clear the fractions here by multiplying by x minus 2. This is going to cancel here and distribute, so we're going to get negative 4x plus 6, and then plus 3. You have to distribute this as well. 3 times x minus 2. And for the denominator, this will cancel when you distribute. And you get negative 2x plus 3 plus 2 times x minus 2. Hopefully I did this right. Let's see. I get negative 4x plus 6 plus 3x minus 6. denominator, I get negative 2x plus 3 plus 2x minus 4. So let's see what we can cancel and see if I did this. So the 6's cancel. And what did I do wrong here? Okay, the 2's cancel. So when you add these two, you get negative x. When you add those two, you get negative 1. So that equals x. So good. All right, now let's go the other way. We're going to compose f inverse with f of x. So I get f inverse of my inner function, which is x, 2x plus 3 over x plus 2. Now this equals, let's write our outer function, negative 2. I'm going to leave a blank. Negative 2x plus 3 over x minus 2. And my x now happens to be f of x, so that's going to be 2x plus 3 over x plus 2, 2x plus 3 over x plus 2. Now if you want, you could go ahead and distribute this. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we get negative 4x minus 6 over x plus 2 plus 3. And just copy down the denominator, 2x plus 3 over x plus 2. Now let's clear the fractions here. Oops, I forgot minus 2 here. So we're going to clear the fractions by multiplying by x plus 2. The numerator and the denominator. This will cancel. So you get negative 4x minus 6. And go ahead and distribute there, and you get plus 3 times x plus 2 over, this will cancel, so you just get 2x plus 3, and then you have to multiply those two, and you get negative 2 times x plus 2. And let's clean this up. Get negative 4x minus 6 plus 3x plus 6 over 2x plus 3 minus 2x minus 4. Now, what can we cancel? These 6's 0 out. These 2 and minus 2x is 0. So we get negative x. We get the same thing we got last time. Negative 1, which equals x, which is our desired result. Now, the next one we're going to do is very similar. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.